Okay, so I think the root is to understand that life is full of cycles. That's the root. It means that if you have a lot of money today, there will be a cycle that there will not be another. You won't have that too much money. So you must understand that life is full of cycle. So when I left the bank in 2013, that was exactly the year I also joined Royalty Christian Center. It was a year I needed to take some drastic decision in my life. And it began to gain flesh as I study finance. You see, in this part of the world, I see people talk about money, but they don't study money. You see, challenges everywhere, but people don't want to talk about money. But that led me to say, I need to understand this particular component called money. So as I understood money more, I discovered that money is an exchange of value. And if you know that it is value, you must also know that there's a premium, and there's a premium delivery of value that can make you make more money. So as people are talking that there is no money right now, it is you that you don't have money. Nobody moved the money from Lagos. The money is in Lagos. The only challenge is that the panel or the conduit is not coming to your side. So you need to find a way to construct it, that you will reconstruct the bridge or the road. As they are passing, as the bullion van is passing around, it should pass your address.
Wow, let's celebrate it. Let's celebrate it.
So what I have done is just that I created a value that people will need and they will come to me. So people will say, oh, does that mean that what I have? See, anything you have is enough. Which is what Peter did at the entrance. Oh, God, give us money. He said, no. He said, what I have is more than money. So everyone in this church, we have something. We have something that is heavy. So the question is, have we studied a cycle, a pattern that we can use to make more money? So for example, you're a fashion designer. Somebody is making $100,000. Okay, let's come back home. $10,000 every month. And you are doing 500,000 or 50,000 naira every month. You know there is a challenge. You must know that person knows something that you don't know. It means that you need to look for that information that can make your value go up, and you can use that value to collect the money you are looking for.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So what do you have? What value can you exchange the money in my pocket for, right?
Yes, that's why.
Are you feeling stuck and overwhelmed by financial challenges and unsure of how to scale your business to a new heights? The Money and Business Growth Package is a comprehensive solution designed to turn your aspiration into a reality. Get access to our exclusive courses on money and business, which include Money Mindset, Skills to Make Money in This Century, Money Capsule Series, Habits to Build Wealth, Know, Like and Trust Model Concept of Sales, and lots more. Call 0904 999 0004 or 0904 999 0005 to get started.